Welcome everyone to a new video for the channel. This time I have a quiz in which we will review everything we learned this week, and thus reinforce knowledge. So with that said, let's get started. How to say hello in Spanish? The answer is hola. Do you know how to say good morning? The answer is buenos días. Do you know how to say good afternoon? The answer is buenas tardes. Do you know how to say how are you? The answer is ¿Cómo estás? How do you say good night? The answer is buenas noches. You know how to say it. What do you do? The answer is ¿Qué haces? That's all. Leave in the comments how many you got right. Having said all that, see you in the next class.